month our life. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Aath. Our channel is for your entertainment. Keep watching every day.
Hey guys, today they're going to learn about parts of a computer. Okay, before we go about the computer parts, first let's smash the like button and subscribe button and share button. But don't punch the share, or that's it. You can share the video. Tap share with WhatsApp and more WhatsApp videos. Okay, now let's learn about computer parts. First one is computer is an electronic device, and if water spills on it, it will get broken and shocking. Second one, it can send and receive information. Third one, CPU is the brain of the computer. Next one, you can store data in a computer. You can take it whenever you want. CPU is the processor of the computer, so you can process data. You can type information and documents. You may pay a lot of games, but if they have authentication, no games for us. You can send, receive email on email app. You can Google for any information you want. If suppose you want to check online some stuff, you can type it on Google. You can watch videos, we can download videos. It has a lot of space. The two main parts of the computer are hardware and software. There are four types of hardware. One is input device, storage device, and processing device and output device. The pen drive can also store information and data from the computer. Let's go to storage devices. RAM, the random access memory of the computer. It's where you store your data, information, and what things you saved and allowed information to your security passwords. Hard disk is also a storage part. The keyboard processes data to the input device. It's called CPU. It's the brain of the computer also, as I said. Again, I'm telling you. And it processes to the output device, which is the computer. The information can come on the screen. And the another word for screen is also, you can also say display. Monitor. Just like keyboard, you can also use mouse as input. You know why? If you're also looking for everywhere, right? If you have a board with a mouse on it, the mouse can click. If you give a right click, it will part of information you can select. And the left click is for, if you are searching for some data, you can click on that. The mouse can help you click on left click. There are two types of software in a computer. One is called system software and the other one is called application software. Okay, I'm going to ask you an example about system software. Windows is a system software and the latest Windows is Windows 10. Okay, it's called operating system. The special purpose is application software. And there is also some apps on a computer called PowerPoint, Paint 3D, Words, lot of more apps. These are all application software. What is your favorite part of a computer? Do you like playing games on a computer, watching videos? What do you guys vote for? You want to play video games and videos? Okay, that's also possible. And you can also watch some downloaded videos. You can watch a lot more videos and download it. You can have a lot of fun with the computer. You can learn animation, you can make videos, edit photos and videos, and don't forget there is also some keys. Those are called numbers keys. You have number keys, alphabets, new tab key. Caps lock means, caps lock is the computer can only, if you type normally, it will go small. If you put caps lock, it will go to capital. And also, there is a key called shift. If you press the shift key and the letter, it will also, go to capital. And next, Control Z means erase. It goes back, it undoes. Control Z. Control X means cut. And Control C means copy. If you copy something, links, you can put it on the place and you have to give Control V. Okay? And Control B is called bold. Okay? And there's also some Microsoft apps called Teams. Now there's a lockdown, you can't go to school, so you get on Teams, Teams, and there's one more app we can also attend in, like sometimes you can attend in Zoom, Duo, more apps like that. Online classes. Google Meet is also one. You can join a class with everyone, your friends, a lot of more stuff. In Google Meet is also a part. If your dad is going on an audit, if he's going to work now, you can also do meetings with Skype also. Okay, guys, we learned a lot of stuff today. Ready? Let's end the video. And I hope you learned a lot about computers. Okay, so now like, share, subscribe if you like this video. Tell friends. Tell your friends to like this video if you like it. And if they like it also, subscribe, click the bell button. Okay, see you in the next video. I'll see you. Bye, guys.